Hi there. Today, we'll get to know how to create and use multiple timelines. The multiple timeline feature helps you create and manage complex object animations better. Each slide has one main timeline that you cannot delete, and as many as added timelines as you want. In general, the process to work with multiple timelines is add new timeline, add animations to objects in the newly added timeline, and use events, actions to start, pause, or continue the added timeline. To add timelines, click the Timeline drop-down button and click Add Timeline. You will see a new timeline added with an auto-generated name like this. You should change it into a more content-related name, so you can recall it easily later. To do that, click the Timeline drop-down button and click Rename Timeline. Besides, to delete an interactive timeline, click Remove Timeline. Now comes adding animations to the object. Adding animations to objects in interactive timelines is similar to doing that in the main timeline. So, you select the object, open the Animations tab and add the animations you want. I'll add some emphasis and motion path effects to the bubbles, making them move and bounce on the screen. For more details on this, you can refer to the video, Animating Objects. As you can see, the interactive timeline now contains effect time bars of the object. You can drag these time bars to change the start time and duration of the animation effect. Then, right-click it, select Animation Settings to edit the animation, and make them repeat until the end of the slide. Now comes the final part of the video, make the interactive timeline display. Because interactive timelines don't automatically play when slides are played, you have to use events and actions to call them. I will add events and actions to this slide so that when it is loaded, the bubbles start to move. Select the slide, in this section of the Properties pane, add the onLoad event. Then, add the Start Timeline action to that event. For more information about this, you can refer to the video Working with Events, Actions. Now, let's have a preview of the output. So, at the time the second slide is loaded, the bubbles start to move. That's enough for using multiple timeline in ActivePresenter 7. Thank you for watching.